This is episode 19 of our branding series, and today we're across the street at our neighbor's bakery. So they got some awesome healthy treats and just a great atmosphere overall. But today we gonna talk a little about the importance of the brand guy. So Rachel, what is the brand guide?
What it really is it's going to be the foundational principles of the entire brand from a visual perspective and then from a messaging perspective. So it's going to have all those elements in it. So how we speak and how we look is going to be consistent. It's going to be everything that that brand looks and feels like.
Most companies aren't just 4 or 5 people that we work with. So let's say if you're a larger organization, it's hard to maintain that brand integrity. So if you look at like a Nike or Starbucks, everything looks cohesive.
Right.
You know, you definitely have some kind of brand guidelines because it's hard for accounting to know what fonts to use or HR versus just marketing. And a lot of people I think just think, hey, the brand guy's just for my marketing team. But at the end of the day, in order to look like a big brand and do it well, it's for your whole organization, from the CEO sending out an email to the person in the manufacturing firm or the area putting a label on. When you go to a brand agency, we'll all typically deliver to you.
So it's going to be obviously different logo files. It's going to be different colors that are part of your brand, the typography that's part of your brand. I look at what are the values, what's the tone of voice that we're going to speak in, what's their mission statement, their vision statement, what's their story, and even the tagline that we came up with. But for me, that's the basics as to where I start with most of my clients. The purpose really of having a brand guide or brand book is really to be consistent across the board inside the organization. Whether that's how we speak, whether that's how we look, for there just to be consistency. The purpose of the brand guide is to where we're all on the same page.
You know, we've worked with so many different brands. What we see is small to even medium-sized clients, they feel marketing, they put it on the back burner because it's not a priority. They really focus on sales. The times have changed so much. I think for the first time, I think people are starting to pay attention to marketing and pay attention to the importance of setting aside that budget for branding, because we hear about personal brands, storytelling, and different things like that. And with the way social media has worked, it can really transform a business because that's how you develop loyal customers, is through your brand. Brands like Starbucks and Nike has really opened up the way for smaller business owners to actually understand that.
Let us know what you think below and maybe some things that have worked or maybe not worked for you from a branding standpoint.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.